easy, safe, predictable, effective. Red Peel System. Red peel is chemical peeling mixed with TCA solution 40% or 50%. One PC of red peel natural base is to be used for each treatment. There are a total of 12 pieces of red peel natural base in a box, for a total of 12 treatments. The recommended minimum number of treatments is 3 times per person at intervals of 2 weeks. One box of red peel can be used for 4 persons. Red peel can be applied to various issues such as uneven skin pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, sunburned skin, acne, acne scars, large pores, skin aging, and wrinkles. The color of red peel natural base is bluish. When it is mixed with TCA solution 40% or 50%, the mixture turns reddish. When mixing red peel natural base and TCA solution, mix completely using a brush. Red peel helps TCA solution to penetrate slowly and safely into the skin. It is a much safer procedure than using TCA solution alone. The reddish color of the mixture appears and can highlight the uniform application of red peel. Unlike other types of chemical peeling products, neutralizers are not needed. Wipe red peel off with wet tissue. Cooling the skin to remove the burning sensation. You can cool the skin with a towel soaked in ice water. Any kind of cooling equipment is not needed. Antioxidants from various plant extracts in red peel are natural base improve the healing process. Recovery time is short. Within 3 to 5 days, your skin will begin to peel. Within 7 to 10 days, your skin should be healed. To achieve the optimal effect of the treatments, the face is washed clean with a cleansing foam and pre-exfoliator. Start cleanser is used to completely remove the oiliness. Use post-treatment in order toner, serum, moisturizer, sunscreen, and BB cream steadily to make an effective recovery. Don't shave by sharp razor. Use an electric shaver instead. Don't take off skin peel by fingers but cut it by scissors. Apply sunscreen. Sunlight might make hyperpigmentation.
Red Peel System is a professional chemical peeling using TCA. In 2008, the Red Peel System was developed through joint research with the R&D team of KB Cosmetics and dermatologists, making it easy to handle not only experienced dermatologists but also estheticians. The Red Peel System is intended to remove the outermost layers of the skin, resulting in wound healing processes begin to regenerate new tissues. The dead skin peels itself without side effects within days. Having used the Red Peel system for more than 5 years, I think the Red Peel is the easiest, safest, and most effective TCA peeling on earth. If you're a dermatologist or an esthetician who takes care of customers' skin, I strongly recommend you to experience the Red Peel system.
EGF Anti-Aging Serum Double Effect. EGF is known as a reproductive factor of skin cells, promotes collagen proliferation within skin cells, and it helps fight skin aging. EGF serum of KB Cosmetics contains EGF, adenosine, hyaluronic acid, and arbutin. EGF serum of KB Cosmetics is most closely resembles the effect of skin cell propagation with a content of 10 ppm 10%. It does not contain artificial fragrances, artificial colors, and immediately permeates your skin without stickiness, providing a refreshing feeling of use. It has an excellent skin regeneration effect, so it is used after treatment in dermatology, clinic, etc.
Now's the time to manage your damage.